welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me for another CVS deals video. This is a brand new ad and we have some deals going on. My only suggestion is when you do your couponing, make sure you're scanning your items on your app. That way you know what coupons or CRT that applies. And also check my description box for a link to a printable Google Doc of all the deals in this video. And if you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thank you all for being here and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and let's go find some deals. Let's start the video with Kellogg Nutri-Grain bars. They are on sale for buy one get one free, no extra care box back, and they are priced at $4.69. Pick up two, pay $4.69, then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back when you buy two. That will end up making them $3.69, $1.85 each. My next deal is on Crest mouthwash. They are on sale for $4.99 and part of buy two get $4 back. Pick up two for a total of $9.98. Use a 4 off 2 Crest digital coupon and you pay $5.98, get 4 back, and the two mouthwashes will cost just $1.98 or 99 cents each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 7 back on Neutrogena makeup remover wipes. Pick up 2 packs priced at $7.79 each. The two will total $15.58. Use the 3 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $12.58, get 7 back, making them $5.58 or $2.79 each. The 16.9 to 20 ounce Nivea body wash are on the deal of buy 2 get 7 back, and I have 2 options for this deal. The first option is to pick up 2 Nivea men body wash priced at $5.99 each. The two will total $11.98. Pay the $11.98 and you get 7 back, making them $4.98 or $2.49 each. The second option is to pick up 2 Nivea women body wash priced at $6.99 each. The two will total $13.98. Pay the $13.98 and you get 7 back, making them $6.98 or $3.49 each. My next deal is spend 20 get $10 back, and Eucerin lotion is part of this deal. Pick up the 5 ounce Eucerin lotion priced at $6.99 and 1/8 ounce Eucerin advanced repair cream priced at $13.99. These two will total $20.98. Use the $3 off Eucerin digital coupon and you pay $17.98, get 10 back, making them $7.98 or $3.99 each. My next deal is on Axe deodorant. They are part of buy 2 get $3 back. Pick up 2 priced at $6.99 each. The two will total $13.98. We have a 6 off 2 digital coupon. With this coupon, make sure you're scanning your items because I scanned few deodorants and none of them was attaching to this 6 off 2. So be careful when you're doing this deal. If you can get a coupon to attach, you will pay $7.98, get 3 back, making them $4.98 or $2.49 each. Last week, the Clairol hair color was buy 2 get 4 back, but this week is better, is buy 2 get 5 back. Pick up 2 textures and tones priced at $8.49 each. Both will total $16.98. We have a 6 off 2 digital coupon, but this coupon expires on Sunday. So if you're doing this deal, you have to do it on Sunday. Using the 6 off 2, you will pay $10.98 and get 5 back, making them $5.98 or $2.99 each. The 11.3 to 13 ounce Garnier Fruity shampoo conditioners are on sale for $2 for $9, and when you buy 2, you get $5 back. Pick up 1 shampoo and pick up 1 conditioner. Pay the $9 and you get 5 back, making them $4 or $2 each. My next deal is on Garnier facial care. They are on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $6 back. Pick up 2 blackhead eliminating scrub priced at $9.29, and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $4.65. These two will total $13.94. Pay the $13.94 and get 6 back, making them $7.94 or $3.97 each. My next deal is on the 75 to 80 count Lysol disinfecting wipes and the 11 count Finish power balls. They are on sale for buy 1 get 1 free, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. And I'll be giving you 2 options for this deal. The first option is to pick up 2 75 count Lysol disinfecting wipes priced at $10.99, and with the buy 1 get 1 free, you're just paying for 1. We have a $1 digital coupon, and that will drop it down to $9.99, and you get 3 back, making them $6.99 or $3.50 each. The second option is to pick up 2 11 count Finish power balls priced at $9.99, Remember, this deal is buy one get one free, so you're paying for just one. Use a $2 digital coupon and you pay $7.99, get 3 back, making them $4.99 or $2.50 each. My next deal is on the 128 ounce or 150 ounce Purex detergent. They on sale for $9.99, and when you buy one, you get $4 back. Pick up one, pay $9.99 and get 4 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1.50 back, limit of 1. That will end up making it just $4.49. My next deal is spend 30, get $10 back, and this deal is a limit of 1 per account per week. Pick up 142 count Tide Pods on sale for $13.49 and one small Tide Pod on sale for $5.49. To complete this deal, pick up one Gain Fabric Softener on sale for $13.49. These 3 items will total $32.47. Use a $3 off Tide digital coupon for the 42 count Tide Pods, or you can use one from Coupon 24 app. And for the little Tide, we have a $1 digital coupon, or you can also use one from the Coupon 24 app. For the Gain Fabric Softener, use a $2 coupon from Coupon 24 app. The 3 coupons will take off $6 and you pay $26.47, get 10 back, making them $16.47 or $5.49 each. Or you can switch out the Gain Fabric Softener with another Tide Pod. The total will still be the same, $32.47. The only difference is you're going to use 2 $3 Tide coupon, one from the CVS app and one from Coupon 24 app, and a $1 digital coupon for the little Tide. The 3 coupons will take off $7 and you pay $25.47, get 10 back, making them $15.47 or $5.16 each. My next deal is on the 21 load Arm & Hammer laundry detergent or the scent booster. They on sale for 4 for $10, no extra care box back. Pick up 4, you can mix or match. Pay $10 and that will make each one just $2.50. The next deal I have is spend 20, get 5 back on the 12 Rose Scott Bath tissue or the 18 double Rose Comfort Plus. Pick up 2 Scott Bath tissues on sale for $10.99 each. The 2 will total $21.98. Pay $21.98 and you get 5 back, making them $16.98 or $8.49 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.